we will talk about some simple grammar structures that you can use to make your tax 1 report really grammatically correct. So you can think of what I'm going to do as the basis of your sentences, and you should use these different grammar structures often to make sure that you write a lot of sentences that are correct. So we will start with the first grammar structure, which is a very simple sentence structure. The first grammar structure will be a noun phrase followed by a verb and then an adverb. For example, we can say the cost of food went up slowly. Okay, so let's take a look at the different parts of this sentence structure. First of all, let's look at the noun phrase. Let's look at the sentence part. So first of all, the noun phrase. So we can see that the noun phrase in this particular sentence is the cost of food. The cost of food becomes the noun phrase. And then went up becomes the verb. Then slowly now becomes an adverb. So we have the cost of food to be a noun phrase. Then we have the word went up now becomes a verb. And then the last one is slowly, which shows the intensity of the movement of that particular trend. Okay, so slowly. So if you look at the sentence structure that we have drawn here, you can use them continuously or you can learn to use them, because you're going to do several different grammatical structures, but this is the first one that we are drawing. Noun phrase followed by a verb and an adverb. So we know that when we talk about a noun, we know that a noun is a name of a particular thing. So name is the noun. So a noun phrase is like a group of words, okay, that is describing the same thing. So if you take the cost of food here in this sentence become one particular thing. We are talking about price. So instead of me saying price, I say the cost. So the cost of food showing food price. Okay, so food price here becomes a phrase. Okay, so it's a group of words, but it means one particular thing. We are talking about the price. We are focused on the price, but this time we are specifying by saying the price of the food. So in this sentence becomes a noun phrase. So a noun phrase is a group of just words that describe the same thing, and then a noun is the name of the thing. All right, so went up, as I stated, becomes the verb, and then slowly is the adverb, showing the intensity of the trend. So let's look at an additional example. The number of female applicants in Cambridge University fell dramatically. The number of female applicants in Cambridge University fell dramatically. If you look at our structure, noun phrase followed by a verb and an adverb, can you tell which one is the noun phrase and which one is the verb and which one is the adverb? I'm waiting for you. I want you to try it now. I'm giving you just 30 seconds. The sentence, the number of female applicants at Cambridge University, becomes a noun phrase. The whole of that part is the noun phrase. And the word fail becomes the verb. And the last word, dramatically, is the adverb. It shows the intensity of the trend. So we have been able to deduce or work on one particular type of sentence structure we can draw. Noun phrase plus verb plus an adverb. So I'm going to give you a challenge. I'd like you to take these words that I'm going to mix up and put them in the right order to make a sentence using the grammar structure that we have been working on today. Noun phrase plus a verb plus an adverb. So I have grouped them in 4 sentences. First one is fast food stroke roastedly stroke the consumption. So you have to figure out which one is which one is the noun phrase, which one is noun phrase, which one is the verb, and which one is the adverb. So I've just mixed them up, and I would like you to work your hands on it. So I would like you to try it now. I would like you to form your own sentences, 10 different sentences. Okay, using the same sentence structure. A noun phrase, a verb, adverb. So I'll just need you to also write. I'll need you to write several sentences which and divide them. You divide them. You show me which part is the noun phrase, which one is the verb, and which one is the adverb. So you just insert it in there. Okay, so that is exactly what I want you to do. Well, this after the first assignment where you arrange them, this part is where you also pick your own sentence and tell me the number of words you were able to write using the same grammar structure, okay, or sentence structure. So that is what I want you to do. All right, so this will be our first video for the grammar tests. I'll be waiting for your answers.